Hey guys, it's Jared with Team Montana. I am in a 3120 RL. I've been on the lot doing some pictures, so don't mind my nice hairdo going on here. But this is a 2021 Montana 3120 full-time living unit. For the best information and pricing, please give me a call or text or even an email, and the information down below. But we're going to go ahead and do a quick tour of this 3120 RL Montana, and it's beautiful. Let's check it out. I'm going to do things a little different this time. I'm going to start on the inside, because that's what the ladies want. So, you know, everybody's always interested on the inside. The outside's pretty basic information. So I'm going to start on the inside today. And I shouldn't say just the ladies. I apologize. Even the men like to see what's inside. Let's be real. So this is the Bourbon Interior. Champagne is temporarily unavailable. They're coming out with a new color that will be released here in some time. But for now, this is the only available from the factory. You got your chair buddy system, extended table. Pull this lever, slides out. This lifts up. That leaf will flip out, and boom, you've got plenty of elbow room for 4 people. No more carpet in this coach. I lied. There's a little piece right there. Other than that, everything else is carpet free. This is PVC type material on the floor. It's water and stain resistant. It's not going to collect hair and dirt like carpet would. These are theater seats that are powered, so they will automatically recline with the push of a button. They have heat and massage on them with some little cubby storage in the side, in the middle here for TV remotes or whatever you want to put in there. These lights above the theater seats are on a dimmer switch, so you simply hold the push button down, it'll dim down and then come right back up nice and bright. This sofa is what they call the trifold, so it is a full queen size bed when it is opened up. It'll open up almost to this island, not quite, about to the middle of that heat register, which is in the floor. Yes, it's in the floor. It's the best way to distribute the heat. That's what gives these Montanas a true 0-degree rating for 48 hours without temperature change. So very impressive. I had a guy in North Dakota. He was living in it. In his Montana, it was a different model, but same thing. 17 below zero and no skirting around his trailer, and it did not freeze up. Pretty cool. So we take stereos and TVs out for security reasons. It does not look very good with those wires hanging out, but it's a nice stereo system. It has 3 zones on it, and it'll also incorporate to your TV as a surround sound throughout the trailer. So it does come with a 55-inch TV here on a swivel bracket, so you can maneuver it, position it towards the kitchen, or if you're sitting on the couch, you can watch it on the couch. As you'll see, this little yellow sign, so that's telling you that there's 5 other outlets in this trailer designated to the prep for the inverter. So the 3120 models with the RV refrigerators, they do not come with an inverter standard, but they are prepped. So all the wiring is done, which is the hardest, most expensive part if you choose to do that after the fact. This is a convection microwave, 30-inch. You got the wine rack above. Some people love it, some hate it. There's a guy on Facebook I saw, he does some pretty neat cabinet upgrades to cover that up. Now you've got a Suburban stove and oven combo. So you've got nice mood lighting, and then you have lights down in the oven itself. Nice flip top, so you don't have to worry about that backsplash up on the window. Okay, making it easier on us. 3 sizes, 3 different spots. It's making me hungry just thinking about cooking. So you got a built-in trash can on this island. Underneath the sink, you've got your designated spot for your sink covers, and also there's little LED lights here. I don't know if you can see. Yep, right there. So cover it up, turns off, boom. Both sides, as well as a couple of different spots throughout the trailer. So it's a pretty cool feature. 80/20 sink, so if you're going to do your dishes, easy to wash and rinse. You've got a residential style sprayer. This is stainless steel. It is black now, so it kind of goes with the look of this trailer. Stepping over to your little sidebar where you could have a margarita maker, coffee pot, crock pot. You know, let me know what you would put in there, but you have this massive pantry with an LED strip light, which I like to point out because that strip light runs all the way down through here. You know, some of them will just put like one light right here, which helps for this shelf, but not the others. So it's nice that Montana has run that LED strip the whole height of that. So behind here, this is telling you it's solar prepped, which is pretty neat. It kind of goes hand in hand with that inverter I was just talking about. So it's a very easy plug and play system, fairly inexpensive. And these are all your controls. So you've got your slides, lights, water heater, yes, tank heaters, run your dual awnings in and out. You've got your fan switch here, and then your pendant lights. Speaking of pendant lights, let's check these out because these are new. So the previous model, they were just a clear glass. Now they're kind of like a like an investigator style, kind of rusticy looking, pretty cool looking. And then the very nice light box above. All right, let's step up into the bathroom, and on our way up, I will point out it has the central vac with the floor sweep. Nothing new there. And those little slots that you returned for your furnace. Built-in handrail is tied into the studs in the wall, so that's not going to move. Got a little coat hanging station on the side here with the pegboard on the top, so you can hang your keys, you know, some pictures of your family. Residential style shower, so it is one piece fiberglass. You don't have to worry about any cracks, seams, you know, absorbing water that you have to seal all the time. It does have a built-in skylight, so for you tall folks it's going to be very spacious. And then in here you've got the same little LED light with the sensor. Just a nice linen closet addition. Porcelain toilet with the heat vent on the side. Barn style sliding door. They've gone away from that center pivoting door, which was, I think, a love-hate relationship. Over here you've got your max air fan controls, your built-in little hanger for your towels, little medicine cabinet on the side, and the infamous toilet paper holder. You also have nice drawers along the side there. Stepping into the bedroom. Oh, beautiful. So I've got the shades down because it's really bright today and it's going to mess up how this view is. So king size bed. This is an upgrade. There is storage underneath, which I would show you, but we put the TVs and stuff in there now, so we don't have access to that. Sorry, I never told you that, but that's what we do. So you do have both daytime and nighttime rolling shades on those windows. Every window in this trailer is going to have that. Up on the ceiling, you've got your Whisper Quiet air conditioner. This one is not a heat pump, but the one down in the living room is. They're both Whisper Quiet. Just the one in the living space has a heat pump. Barn style sliding door. You've got the TV that will go, excuse me, will go there. Again, we just take those out for security. And then you've got your wardrobe. So stepping over to your front closet, this slides out. You got a motion sensor light in there. Plenty of shelving to stack your clothes, put your shoes, and a nice little hamper. Put your dirty clothes into. And then you've got your hanging rod up above. Stepping over into this closet is your washer dryer prep area, which is the connections are going to be directly behind those folding chairs. It's just a really good storage spot instead of underneath the bed anymore. And then over here you'll see this outlet has got the little symbol, so that's telling you it's run off of that inverter. Heat vent in the floor, so there is going to be good circulation up here. It's going to keep you nice and toasty or nice and cold on a day like today. It's very, very muggy and sticky. I kind of love it though. That's what summer's all about, right? Okay, stepping outside. So this is a new color scheme I've covered before. It's got the nice blue stripe, mostly blacks and grays, no more beige colors. Tremendous amount of pass-through storage with the central vac system in there. I'll show you that here in a minute. You got your second awning, nice frameless windows. On the back side, you've got your ladder with the LED lights, a 3,000-pound towing hitch with the wire to plug in your trailer lights. Backup camera prep right above that T on the Montana. Over here you've got your side window for your kitchen, and then your refrigerator vents. These tires are Saloon G range tires. They're the best on the market for this category of weight. You also have the Road Armor suspension system, so it has greasable pivot points on there, so maintenance is easy. Also, you can pull this little black cap off of this hub, boop, and you've got a grease zerk right there to handle all of your other maintenance. It's a 12-gallon hot water heater and a 35,000 BTU furnace. And then over here is going to be your convenience center. So you've got all your valves except for one more over on the frame. Low point water drains for winterizing. It makes it easy peasy. Black tank flush, so it's going to help move those solids along. Water connection, so you can control whether it's going to run through the coach or if you're going to fill the freshwater tank. Just flip it like that. You don't have to worry about moving hose from connection to connection. This is all winterizing stuff, so it's very easy to do. I have another video, if you look at my playlist, on the how-to section of how to do that. Battery disconnect, so that shuts off everything in the trailer. And new for this model year is satellite prep to the roof. So over there you can see your central vacuum system, so that's where you access to change the bag, or if you wanted to clean out this section you can do so with the hose. You got dual 30-pound propane tanks, one on each side with the auto changeover. You can see it's red right now right here, so it's telling you they're empty. When they're full, they're green. Green means go. So this trailer, it weighs 12,040 pounds and it can withhold 16,000 pounds. Very cool. Leveling system, pretty self-explanatory. Hit auto level. All 6 jacks will go down and pretty much lift the trailer off the ground. You've got your isolators for your slides because the bottom 2 slides are on hydraulic. The one that's directly above me is electric. So in a case that you want to run just one slide out, you come over to this panel, flip the switch off, go back inside in your control board and run the hydraulic slide back out. This unit's prepped for the side cameras as well as the back camera, so that will give you a nice angle going down the side. You know, you can see everybody that's in your side lane, both passenger and driver side. So with the 3120, it's only equipped with 1 battery. As you can see, the battery box here, and then your hydraulic system with the fluid reservoir and your pump, all the valves. Hopefully you never have to mess with any of that. And then on this side is your storage or generator area if you choose to do so. So there you have it. This is the 2021 Montana 3120 RL. We're 20 miles from the factory. Again, please contact me for the best price and best information. Absolutely love this brand. I love carrying it, handling it, love your customers. It's always a good experience. So if you would, please contact me. Love talking about them. So again, I'm Jared, and you guys have an awesome Friday.